Hello everybody and welcome back to another installment of our Wish series. Now, the last Wish video I posted was just like a Wish haul, but the reason I did that was because I felt like Wish was kind of sending me a bunch of like weird shit that I didn't really want. So I went ahead and made a big order of stuff that I kind of do want so that maybe it would influence Wish to kind of send me different things. Regular rules, just as always. I'm still saying no fidget spinners just because I really just have this deep rooted fear that Wish is gonna try to sell me more of them, and I don't want any more fidget spinners, dear God. And then also, if it's clothing or jewelry, it has to like have the potential to fit me. But otherwise, everything else is pretty much up for grabs. So, with our fingers crossed, let's go ahead and hope that Wish gives us a good haul this time. I'm gonna go ahead and just type in wish.com. Okay, alright, so far what I'm seeing is a lot more like fashion-y things, and that's what I wanted here. First, oh my god. First free thing is this ring, and it says mom on it. Oh, because I am a mom. This is the Mama Love Mum 925 sterling silver ring, heart, fire, opal, mom, lettered, diamond, jewelry, family, birthday, new year, Christmas, best gift for mother, mummy, band rings. Cute! Let's see, are all these pictures the same or are they different? They all look the same. They all have a little opal stone in it. Cute. Oh shoot, what is my ring size? The last time I had to know my ring size, it was when I got married and had to have my ring resized. I want to say it's 7. Oh, okay, if this is messed up, it's going to be my fault. But okay, let's go for 7 and hope that it fits. All right, that's an easy one. We got one in the card already. Okay, let's see what's next. What in the hell is this? Hot sale, invisible double eyelid tape, trial, 240 pairs, Steiker, high quality. Y'all, I don't know what this is. Eyelid tape? Eyelid tape. Comes with a piece of fork. Okay, maybe like I'm just not in on the beauty standards of the world, but why do you need to put tape on your eyelids? And why does it need to stay there all day? Let's do a searchy search here for eyelid tape and see how to use it. How to use double eyelid tape.
Hi, welcome to Asian Beauty Secrets. Today's episode is about how to use double eyelid tape. Just in case you didn't realize, I do have double eyelid tape on right now. I really wear makeup without double eyelid tape. If I were to not wear double eyelid tape, then I wouldn't wear makeup at all.
What is this?
First, indicate where you want the crease to be. You can use a tool that comes with the tape to help find the size of the double fold to which suits your eye shape the best. Once you've found the position of the fold, you can place the tape there and then remove the paper on top. Usually when I'm not wearing any makeup, I can just push the tape back and the skin on top would adhere.
Okay, so what I'm gathering here, holy crap. Dang, I didn't even know this stuff existed. Oh my god. So if you look at my eyelids, I do not need this. I don't think I could even use this. I already have a very defined crease. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pass on this. It seems to be more of like an Asian culture kind of thing. This isn't something that I can benefit from at all. So I learned something today. I tell you what, but I'm gonna pass. Very interesting though. All right, well let's see what else we got. What is this? This is eardrop, or no, what? Eardrop. Eardrop, water drop, big hand, chain, bracelet, necklace, ring, hook, oval earring set. Okay, let's look at the pictures here because this looks very interesting. I don't think I could wear those earrings. Maybe if I hung them over some like tunnels like this. I don't think they're heavy enough to be ear weights, but the other stuff in there will fit me. Personally, this is not my style, but I will buy it because, you know, that's what we're here to do. Because I can use these things. I don't see myself wearing any of these at all. Damn, okay, a whole jewelry set, huh? Nice. Okay, we'll just add that to the cart. Oh boy, we have a lot of free stuff. Oh my god, are these extensions? These are 3 color long curly clip-on hair extensions, synthetic cosplay hair clip. Okay, all right. Well, so we'll try them. I'm hoping they have the golden ones because then I can like try to dye them. According to these pictures, they look like they're pretty long. My hair is really long already, so I don't know how well extensions would work for me. These are clip-ins, it looks like. Honest to God, I have never worn hair extensions. But I guess there's a first time for everything. Now let's see if we can do golden here. Yes! We're getting hair extensions today, guys. Wow. Next thing, this looks like one of those facial cleaners. This is the new Calm Digi 5-in-1 multifunction electric facial cleanser brush massager new. Cool. I have never used one of these either. I've heard good things about them. It has 4 stars. Not very many reviews though. What are the sizes? Okay. What? That is cute! But it doesn't look like an electric. What is this? This looks different from the other two, but it's a little cat. Okay, so size 1 is the kitty, and that one is definitely free. However, 3 is $4, so we can't do size 3, which is this one here. Okay, so size 2 is like the same thing as this cat one. It just, the cat one doesn't have a handle. So let's do the cat one, because the cat one is cute. The cat one was made for me. Okay, I made a mistake, and I accidentally refreshed the page, and now we have a bunch of new stuff. But the first thing on here that is new is this foundation, it looks like. This is the Base Face Liquid Foundation Concealer Moisturizer Oil Control Waterproof Maquillage Makeup Kit RZE. So, what color would it probably be? Wait a damn minute. That has a pump on it. This is hard. What is B? Okay, wait. And what are all these C's? And let me look at it in here. Whoa. Okay, there's a lot. There's a lot of different products in this particular like what? What is this one? This is A, but it has like 3 different colors in A. Is that it? There's just A1. Steak sauce? No, there's A2 and A3. What does that mean? What does it mean? So B looks more like it's the foundation. And is C a moisturizer? Guys, I don't know. We might get a surprise in the mail. If B is the foundation, and then 1, does it go up to B6? Yes, it does. Okay, I'm gonna go for B1, because B1 looks a little darker than B2. B2 looks too white and pink for me. I'm a little more yellow tone. I'm really sketched up. It's $5. What the hell is free? You know what we're gonna do? Okay, A1 is free. Oh no, but that is so white. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna go through all of these and see. If A1 is the only free one, I'm gonna cry. We're gonna be stuck with this A1 crap. Okay, the only free one out of all of these is A1, which is ivory, seems to be completely white. I'm really, really excited to see what this is gonna turn out like. I'm adding it to the cart, but damn, like what? All right, so in our cart, we have that weird concealer thing, that set of jewelry, a facial cleanser that may or may not be electric, some hair extensions, and a mom ring. See, now this is exciting. I feel like I don't know what to expect with a lot of these things that are gonna show up. I also have a feeling that these things are going to take a while to show up. I guess I will just see you guys in like 2 months.
Many months later.
Why, hello there. Everything's here. So it all kind of arrived a while ago. I just haven't had time to go through these yet, but it probably did take the regular like 5 weeks-ish to get here, which was kind of surprising because I feel like every time I get cosmetics from Wish, it takes a really long time, but it wasn't bad this time around. I just had my daughter's birthday party and my anniversary, and it's been sitting here for like 2 weeks, so I'm ready to finally go through them. Actually, I don't even remember exactly what is in here. I know that there is like a weird makeup thing we're not sure about and like a jewelry set, but other than that, I don't remember what I ordered. Okay, so this first thing, it says eardrop water set. I think this is that jewelry set. Okay, cool. Okay, so here's the bracelet. My fat hand can fit through it. Is it supposed to be adjustable? Okay, I did it. Oh, this is kind of nice and dainty. See, I feel like that's how I like my jewelry to be. I don't like big chunky stuff. Like, this is just dainty and fine. I don't really wear bracelets very often, but sure. Next, I think this is the necklace. Same thing, dainty, nice. Oh yeah, it's fine. Actually, that's kind of cute. And then the last thing in here were earrings. You know what though? These might work. I obviously have my ears stretched, so I was just kind of like, I probably will not wear these, but oh my god, there's a ring in here too. I forgot. Okay. That's this one. This one was one I got from a Wish haul, the last one. That's the kitty one. I wear this every day. I love it. Now here's the earrings. Let's see if I can just like no, that's not gonna work. Would it be stupid if I like took them out and just whatever, do it for the video. Okay, here's my naked ears. Okay, honestly, these look kind of like thick for someone who just has like a regular ear piercing. Maybe I'm wrong, but they look like they're at least like, what would it be, like a 12 or a 10? But how stupid does this look? It looks pretty stupid. Ew. Well, I mean, I'll keep them in here for the video, just for fun. That looks so nasty. My little cat butthole ears. Alright, what's next? Okay, the description of this one is synthetic 1. Guys, I really don't know what this is. I don't remember. Oh my god. Oh! I forgot! We ordered hair! Yes! I don't know if these are blonde enough to dye though. Wow.
Wow.
They're actually really nice quality. They're so soft. And it looks legit. I've never put hair extensions in, so they're clip-ins. I need an adult! Oh, it's shedding though. Okay, so these shed. But is that normal of extensions? I don't know. I have actually, like, I'm telling you, I've never worn extensions ever. But okay, so they're longer than my regular hair. Aside from all this shedding, holy crap. Maybe at the end of this video, we'll go on a hair dyeing adventure. What do you say? It honestly is shedding so much. Next, so this says Base Face Liquid Foundation Concealer Moisturizer. I think this is the one that we weren't sure about. The packaging's kind of cool. Characteristics, high coverage, fine powder. What does that mean? Creamy touch, excellent staying power, can alternatively be used as lip concealer and face highlighter. Customize your glow with luminous buildable coverage and light up your each day with joy. First ingredient is water. I'm wondering because there's kind of like a lot of stuff on here about like how you can use it and stuff, and I'm wondering if maybe they just have the same packaging for every product. The packaging's kind of cool, but look at how white that is, dang. So obviously I'm wearing makeup, so I'm not gonna try to put this on my face. It's probably a good thing anyway. I probably shouldn't try to put it on my face. I still have stuff on my hand from my last video I just filmed. So that's super white. I could see using this as if you were doing like cream highlight or something when you're contouring and stuff too. The formula is kind of thin, but then when you like smear it out like that, it gets thick. It's almost like a sunscreen kind of. I don't know. That's weird. Here, I have a freckle right there. Let's see if we can get it to cover the freckle, even though it's way too white. Yeah, it's not great. This probably isn't something I'll ever use, actually. Next, this says wash face brush. That's right. Okay, so this was the one where it like showed there were electronic ones, and then we got in there and it said that it wasn't free. Okay, this is how the box came. It's like not even sealed. Aww. There's like a sponge in there, and look, it's got a little kitty face on top. So I guess this is just supposed to, you know what? I could see this like helping like with exfoliating and stuff. Okay, so this is all pictures, so I can't really tell, but it looks like you're supposed to put water on the inside. That's where that little sponge is, and then squeeze it, and then suds it up and put it on your face. It's actually a kind of cute concept, and it makes sense because, you know, the sponge part comes out at the top here. So like if you put it in here, it's gonna, I mean, it's not really what we were expecting, right? I mean, I think maybe we were thinking it would vibrate or something, but it's cute. All right, the last thing here says a ring. I've gotten a lot of rings. I don't know if this will fit me or not. All right, cute. It just says mom. Oh, and it has like a little opalite. Dang, did I know my ring size or did I know my ring size? Pretty good. Cute. Okay. Honestly, I think if you didn't know it said mom, you couldn't really tell that it says mom. It's all right for being a free piece of jewelry. It's really not bad. And it's kind of sentimental, you know? Okay, guys, that is it. Let's go see if we can dye these extensions. Hi, welcome to my salon. Hi, Sparrow. I guess I'm just gonna do like what I normally do with my own hair, right? Okay, so obviously what I do first is use my gloves. I have really nice, not disposable dishwashing gloves. Maybe I should do a whole video on like my whole like hair dyeing routine. Maybe that's for another day. But so basically what I do, I use just like a cheapo like white Tresemme conditioner. Squirt it in there, and then I just kind of like mix the colors in. And then I usually put some purple in there because it helps get rid of the yellow and brassiness, but like just a little bit. And then we just mix. I don't want to hear any of you beauty professionals telling me that this is not how you're supposed to dye extensions, or my own hair for that matter. I'm gonna probably make these a little darker than my actual hair just because these extensions are kind of dark. These are like really curly too, so I don't know how this is gonna work. So, I guess we'll just start. Okay, it's shedding a lot. This doesn't look like it's gonna hold on to that color very well. The hair is everywhere. I think I underestimated how much dye I would need. I think this might be too dark to hold on to the regular color I use. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mix up some more and make it like way darker. Okay, that's darker, yeah. You know, honestly, this doesn't really look like it's like holding on to this either. All right, so I'm gonna let these sit for a few hours and we'll just see what happens. I'm really not feeling all that confident. I think that it's not going to absorb the color very well, but perhaps if we let it sit for a few hours, then we can come back to it and see.
Eventually.
All right, so it is a few hours later and we have literally no change at all. And you know, after getting them wet and washing them, they felt like hair when they were dry, but they're so slippery and slimy after washing them. I mean, you can see it took the pink color where it was white, but the hair took none of it at all. I guess I was expecting at least something. And I put a lot of dye in there. Like, the amount of dye I put in there, my hair would be darker than this. But at the same time, it's not that dark. I don't know. I don't have any hair bleach that I can like try to put on here or, you know, processing whatever. So I mean, I'm just kind of done with this. But if this is your natural hair color, these are probably great for you. You could just stick them in your hair. Maybe like color it with some Sharpie or something.